Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, all right. Yes, that's great. So, dear students, in previous period we have talked about positive statement and negative statement. Also, we have made questions. Okay. Now, today in today's video, we are going to talk about the questions and exclamations. Okay. So, as we have already learned in previous period, on that basis, let's see. You have already learned that questions can begin with verbs. Okay, so this exercise I am taking from the first unit, The March of the Animals, okay, poem, and from page number 14. So please open page number 14 of your English textbook. All right. Okay, so page number 14, question number E. You have already learned that questions can begin with verbs. जैसे कि I have already mentioned in my previous period while making questions. So verbal questions start with the verbs. Okay, questions can begin with verbs like is, are, do, does, has, have, will, and their negative forms. Means is, isn't, are, aren't, do, don't, does, doesn't, has, hasn't, haven't, will, won't, and their negative forms. Okay, just like isn't, aren't, etc. Later you will learn how to make questions with other verbs forms also. Again we are going to talk about more examples, okay, in the next period. But today, now, another type of question. There are actually two types of questions: WH questions and verbal questions. So in this period we are today going to talk about WH question. Now let's see what is WH question. The question words are how, who, why, when, where, what. Okay, so all these words are starting from WH, and these words are used to ask questions, and that's why these words or these questions, the questions which started with these words are called WH questions. Okay, so now what we have to do, dear students? Fill in the blanks with these words. Answer each question in your notebook. Okay, now we have to fill these WH questions with, okay, with the correct predicate. We have to add this question with the correct statement. What type of question word will be used to make the or to ask the proper question. Okay, and after that, after getting the correct question, you have to write down the answers of each question in your notebook. आपको अपने notebook में सभी के answers अपने मर्जी से लिखने हैं. Okay, now let's see. The first fill in the blanks is that does the sun rise? Now what we have to use? We have the question words how, who, why, when, where, and what. For this I have made my answer sheet already, and I am going to explain you that, okay, all these things from that worksheet. Okay, dear students, so here the that sheet. Okay, so now we have got fill in the blanks. Does the sun rise? The question will जब हम पूछेंगे तो हमें WH क्वेश्चन लगाना पड़ेगा. When does the sun rise? Okay, when does the sun rise? So when shows the time. Okay, when जब हम यूज करते हैं तो समय दर्शाता है. Now second is sorry, do you come to school? Do you come to school? Okay, so here how do you come to school means आप स्कूल कैसे आते हो. Okay, so how will be there, कैसे, how do you come to school. Number 3, does the lion live? प्लेस के बारे में पूछता है. This ask about the place, and to show the place we have to ask the question with where. where shows the place. So our question will be, where does the lion live? Number 4, is your best friend's name? किसी का नाम पूछना है तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? Yes, very common. What is your best friend's name? Now again, do you live? It is again very common question. Live, रहने की जगह. It asks about the place. So for place we use where do you live? Okay. Then number, does a deer run away when it sees a tiger? डियर क्यों भागी जब उसने टाइगर को देखा? तो इससे बनेगा कि डियर क्यों भागी, वाई, रीजन, वाई डज अ डियर रन अवे व्हेन इट सीज अ टाइगर? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this way we have to use WH questions to ask different types of question. Okay, but remember, each and every question starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Okay, I hope you have understood how to make WH questions also. Great. Now let's move to the another part. Okay, number B, you use, actually you means we use exclamations when you are happy or sad. जब हम खुश होते हैं या दुखी होते हैं तो हम एक्सक्लामेशंस की विस्मयादिकारक शब्दों का या एक्सप्रेशंस का यूज़ करते हैं. एक्साइटेड और एंग्री, अपसेट और अफ्रेड और सरप्राइज एट समथिंग दैट हैपन्स सडनली. अचानक कुछ हो जाता है, अचानक हमारे सामने कुछ आ जाता है, सुन लेते, हम देख लेते, सरप्राइज के कारण, एक्साइटमेंट के कारण, एंगर के, गुस्से से, कभी डर से, कभी खुशी से, कभी नाराज़गी से हमारे मुंह से कुछ उद्गार निकल जाते हैं, हमारे मुंह से कुछ स्पीच निकल जाते हैं, और वो भी अचानक. और यही जो अचानक निकलने वाले एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं, खुशी के, दुख के, गुस्से के, इन्हीं को हम एक्सक्लेमेशंस कहते हैं. नाउ you also use them when you want to warn someone about something. Also, dear students, sometimes exclamations can be used to warn about someone to somebody about something. Okay, warning show करने के लिए भी we use exclamations. Okay, and exclamations are always happens or always comes out from our mouth or speech suddenly. Okay, and that's why we use exclamation mark to show strong feelings. Okay, so now match the following exclamations in column A with the feelings they show in column B. Actually the statements, exclamation statements are given in column A, but what type of feelings they are showing, those feelings are written in column B. Now we have to match with the correct exclamation with the correct feeling. Means this statement shows what type of feeling, so we have to match with that. Okay, so are you ready? Great. Now let's see, I have already mentioned the answers, but let's do it. I am explaining. See, a fantastic birthday party mom, thanks so much. देखिए again, a fantastic birthday party mom, thanks so much. So here it is a sadness, love, anger, excitement or happiness, fear or warning, or appreciation. Yes, it is the appreciation. The daughter or son appreciate his or her mother for arranging good fantastic party on her or his birthday. So the option will be F. Okay, so this statement, this exclamation shows the appreciation. Okay, now let's see second, another. Look out, there's a speeding car coming straight at us. Oh my god, look out, हमारी तरफ एक जोर से कार आ रही है, स्पीडिंग कार. तो ये तो डर शो कर रहा है. ओके, so this sentence or this exclamation shows the what? Fear, warning. So option is E. Okay, so fear, warning, so option is E. Number 3, oh no, my puppies ran away. Oh no, my puppies run away. Oh, how sad. अगर आपका कुछ खो जाता है तो आप सैड होते ना. यस. सो दिस शोज द फीलिंग्स ऑफ सैडनेस. यस, सैडनेस. सो द ऑप्शन इज ए. ओके. देन नंबर 4. Why did you drop juice all over my new dress? Why did you drop juice all over my new dress? अगर कोई आपके कपड़ों पे कुछ गिरा देगा तो आप में कैसे एक्सप्रेशंस निकलेंगे आप में? प्यार के, लव, सैडनेस, लव, एंगर, एक्साइटमेंट. यस, एंगर. ओके. दिस एक्सप्रेशन शोज द एंगर. ओके. सो द ऑप्शन इज सी. What wonderful parents I have. Wow. What wonderful parents I have. कितने प्यारे पेरेंट्स हैं मुझे. वंडरफुल. तो दिस शोज द लव टूवर्ड्स पेरेंट्स. सो दिस शोज द फीलिंग्स ऑफ लव. सो ऑप्शन इज बी. We are going to Disney World. Here we come. Wow. We are going to Disney World. हम डिज्नी वर्ल्ड जा रहे और हम ये आ गए. हियर वी कम. सो डिज्नी वर्ल्ड सबको पसंद है. यस और नो? यस. सो इट शोज एक्साइटमेंट एंड हैप्पीनेस. करेक्ट? या. सो दिस expression shows the excitement and happiness. So the answer is D. So dear students, here in this exercise we have explained and we tried to make you understand what type of exclamations are used to show what type of feelings. Okay, I hope if you have understood it well, read it well, learn it well, and find out such more expressions and use such expressions in your daily life as well. Okay, so do this activity of WH question and exclamations as a homework in your notebook at home. Okay, thank you.